Last year, in 2024, I drew out a revised floor plan for the channel Marching Moto. Dalton was thankful I took the time to send him the layout and pictures, but at that time he was not in a position to do that level of a remodel. So as time went on, Dalton left the bathroom in the same location and fully remodeled it. You can see all of the bathroom remodel on his channel Marching Moto, and I will have a link in the description. After the work I did on the new floor plan layout last August 2024, I have decided to show the proposed new floor plan and the computer-generated pictures in this video. I will also show the original floor plan and pictures of the house before the bathroom remodel. Here is the original floor plan. The front door opens directly into the living room, which is centered in the front of the house. The kitchen is on the front left of the house. The main bedroom is on the front right of the house. A vacant room or bedroom 2 is on the back center of the house behind the living room. The laundry utility room is on the left back corner of the house behind the kitchen. The bathroom is on the right back corner of the house. The main issues I see with the original layout are the ceiling height is very low across the whole back side of the house. The bathroom has 2 entrance doors, and you have to walk through the main bedroom or another room to access it. Also, the bathroom ceiling height is very low on the back wall, and you're not able to fully stand up. There's no place for a dining table, and the kitchen needs more cabinets. With the issues I just discussed, I decided to address them with an adjusted new floor plan layout. I added a small hallway off the right side of the living room so you can easily access the bathroom, the main bedroom, and a laundry closet. By putting the new bathroom up at the right front of the house, it would be accessible from all rooms, and you would not need to walk through a room to access it. Also under that area of the house, there's a large crawl space which would be easier to install plumbing. By moving the main bedroom down to where the original bathroom is, the lower ceiling back wall could house a built-in wardrobe closet and chair. The washer and dryer would need to be stackable and would go inside the small closet. A water heater would be installed behind the closet that would be accessible from the outside. The original laundry utility room could then become a dining room with an office. The back vacant room behind the living room could be a second bedroom with a built-in wardrobe closet against the lower ceiling back wall. The kitchen could have some additional cabinets added to the original cabinets. On the new floor plan, here are the walls that would be removed and the new ones added. Here are some pictures and walkthrough videos of the proposed changes on the inside layout. Thanks for watching. I will be posting more floor plan videos in the future, so if you're interested, please subscribe.